Hello my friends, in this video we will learn a ratio method of estimation, and this method is used in sampling methods, and after that we will learn about the product method of estimation in next video. So in this video, first of all, we will learn about the ratio method of estimation. So what is the ratio method of estimation? So first of all, we start with the definition of the ratio method of estimation. So if in simple way, if we have knowledge of the auxiliary variable x which is correlated with y, then we can use the ratio method of estimation. So how to use of the ratio method of estimation? Suppose that the y is equal to study variable and x is equal to auxiliary variable. So both are different. So what is the study variant and what is the auxiliary variable? Study variable, which is study in our project, and auxiliary variable is which is already known about in advance in some earlier completed census and in some completed earlier surveys. So what is the auxiliary variable? The knowledge of these variables is already known, and where we can this knowledge we get from completed census and from earlier surveys. So if xi on x and y on y obtained for sampling units, and then the formula of n, the mean and the population mean of x is x bar, and the population mean of y is y bar, then the ratio method of estimation is equal to y bar cap equal to y bar upon x bar is and x bar. So what is this and what is this and what is this? So this is the population mean, this is the sample mean of auxiliary variable, and this is the study variable sample mean. Now how can we use this formula? So in other way we can write this: yr total is equal to y total upon x total and then x total. So this is the formula of ratio estimation if we use the total value. And then what is the x total? X total is equal to sigma xi or I over the n, and yi is equal to y total is equal to sigma yi, and x total is equal to sigma xi I over to n. Now if we r is equal to y bar upon x bar x total, and r cap x total. So this is the final formula of ratio method of estimation. Now the next term is how to find the bias and the mean square error in the short form MSE. This is called mean square error. So how can we find the bias and mean square error? In the systematic sampling we find the unbiasedness and the variance, but in this case we find the bias and the MSE, because this is not the unbiased estimator of population mean. So what is the formula of the ratio estimation? So first of all we write this formula. Now the expectation of when we find biasness, so first of all we should find the expectation of both sides. So expectation of yr cap is equal to 1 on n by n and sigma. So why this is summation? Because I is over here, because the sample observations we can take here. Now this is not, after simplification we cannot find this is equal to the population mean. Now after the bias we will find the MSE. So how can we find the MSE? There is a very long process. So because MSE is not a simple process to find, because there is a very long process. So in short, MSE is equal to E expectation of yr cap minus y bar whole square is equal to E y bar square epsilon 0 minus epsilon 1 plus epsilon 1 square minus epsilon 1 epsilon 0 plus whole square. Now expectation of y bar square epsilon square plus epsilon 1 square minus 2 epsilon 0 epsilon 1. Now the value of the epsilon 0 and epsilon 1, so we put this value over the epsilon 0 square. So epsilon 0 square is equal to f upon n cx square, and similarly epsilon 1 square is equal to f upon n sigma y square and 2f 1n rho sigma x cy. So this is the formula of the MSE. So you can remember this term for your case. So f upon n cx square plus cy square minus 2 rho cx cy. So this is the up to second approximation. So in the next video we will learn about the product method of estimation. If you have any query about ratio method of estimation, you can comment in the comment box. So please subscribe for more videos and like this video. Thank you so much.